Want to get started using the Lemon8 social app, but not sure how it works? I'm Jessica, and this video will be our beginner's guide to Lemon8, where I'll show you all the basics of using the app. Now let's get started. When you first open the Lemon8 app, you'll be prompted to sign in to your TikTok account if you're already logged in on the TikTok app on the same device. Just tap Continue to sign in. The Lemon8 homepage will bring you to the For You feed. This is similar to the For You page on TikTok, where you'll find recommended posts that the app thinks you'll like. You can see 4 posts at a time when scrolling. These posts may be photos or videos. Along the top of the page, you'll see different topic categories you can browse. Tap a category to see posts about that topic. Tap a post to see it in more detail. If a post has multiple images, you can swipe sideways to see additional images. Scroll down to see the comments on the post. If you like someone's content, you can tap Follow beside their name at the top to follow them on Lemon8. You can like, save, or comment on a post in Lemon8 just like you can on TikTok. You can tap the share icon to share a post with friends through another social app, text message, copy the link, or download the post. Tap the arrow in the top left corner to go back to your For You page. Once you've followed people on Lemon8, their posts will appear in your following feed. Just like on TikTok, this feed will only have posts from people you follow. Now let's take a look at the other pages you can access using the menu at the bottom. To search the Lemon8 app, tap the magnifying glass icon. Here you can browse trending hashtags, as well as search for keywords, hashtags, or other users you want to follow. In the search results, you can view top posts that fit your search criteria, tap accounts to find another user's page, or tap hashtags to see tags that match what you've searched for. Tap the notification bell at the bottom to view your notifications, including new followers, likes and saves, comments and mentions, as well as any system notifications from Lemon8. In the bottom right corner, tap the profile icon to go to your own Lemon8 profile. Posts you've shared on Lemon8 will appear here. You can customize your Lemon8 profile by tapping Edit Profile. Here you can change your profile photo, name, username, bio, and more. To share a post on Lemon8, tap the plus sign at the bottom. If prompted, tap Allow to let Lemon8 access your camera roll. Then you can choose up to 35 photos or a single video to include in your post. Once you've selected the images or video you want to include, tap Next at the bottom. If you're posting a video, you can trim your video clip, add text, or add a sound from Lemon8's audio library. If you're posting photos, you can then use the editing tools along the bottom to edit your images with filters, adjustments, text, doodles, and stickers. To edit another image in your post, simply swipe to the image you want to edit. When you're done making edits, tap Next at the bottom. You can reorder the images in your post by holding and dragging them from side to side. Whichever image appears first will be used for the thumbnail. Next, type in a title for your post and write a caption. You can tap the eye icon in the top right corner to preview what your finished post will look like. When you're finished adding the final touches to your Lemon8 post and want to share it, tap Post at the bottom. Your post will appear on your Lemon8 profile and in your followers' following feeds. It could also appear in the For You page. That wraps up our beginner's guide to Lemon8. Want to try out other social apps? Check out our beginner's guide to RedNote next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.